Hello Sue. I'm making a second video to show you how the AI mechanic works, the enemy, and I'm doing this to show you basically what it would happen. What I will be doing is building this level again that I'm showing you here, because if I build this level, it will basically just show you that it will just go back to a previous version because I don't need the other level. The other level was just so the player could play around the level with houses and things like that, sort of like a fantasy style game. But in my planning, I've only said that I would create blocks and not have a visual style. So going back to game design principles, wasn't going to have a game style. So this is my original level with the two static AI here in the corner where my mouse is. So before we go in, I want to discuss this nav mesh. I had two. Basically, with two nav mesh, the AI behavior is it doesn't behave as it should do. Some of the AI don't move correctly. So in the future, I will just research ways I can implement that and zones I can implement with that nav mesh, so the player is safe. So like I've done here in the first one, and add different nav meshes across different areas of the level. But for now, I'm just going to create the one for the if I've got the one. What I will be doing is, if I have time before the hand in, I will create. What we'll do is using the new the new version, which I have got right here, and I will show you quickly. This is the newest version. You see how there's a level here. All I did was drag the stuff from here to there. So all I'll do is I'll delete that, so the game runs smoother because there's less things to load within engine or within the game when it works. And I will just place it all here. And that's all I'll do. I'll place it here with the static AI, with the items and the enemies and everything, just to and make a third video showing you, it all works again. It's what I feel like the problem is the way I created a radius for my enemy AI to roam about. I feel like that's kind of creating an issue there. With all the different collisions going on the screen, so I don't really know what's going on with the normal AI, sorry, the enemies. So what I'll do that. I'll put everything in here. I just check if it works and create a video. If I don't post anything, it's one because I didn't have time, or two because I didn't find the fix. So if I don't find the fix, I won't post it. I won't give you a third video. I'll give you both these videos just to show you the explanations, and the third video will just be a quick run through all the mechanics working again. So that's literally what it'll be. So this will be for prototype 1. I have another video for prototype 2, which I will be giving to you as well. So if I go back now quickly and show you after playing window quickly. So when you click on thingy, as you see, the AI come here and they start chasing me, and then it hits me and they'll come towards me because obviously I'm still on screen, seeing me and hit, so I die. And that's them roaming around and sensing that I've gone around their radius. So they've tried to find me, they've seen me, and then because I walked in the radius, they started moving, and now they hit me, so it's game over screen. So all I'm going to show you as well now is quickly how in the other level, when I did this, you see how they're all roaming around, they're trying to chase me, they're quicker than me, so it makes a challenge for the player, and then they're all chasing me. And in the new version, that as you saw, my character will disappear. I think I've explained this in a different video. The character disappears, and it removes it from the game. It just hides the actor, so all it's doing is the enemies can just walk around again, roam around basically, which kind of in real time sort of thing. So it is real time, so all it's doing is basically be more professional, and so it removes it and it keeps playing in the background. So then it doesn't just show like, oh, it's game over, but my character is still there. It's meant to die, so surely the character should be removed from the game. So that's the type of questions I was asking myself when making this, and that's what I created. Like I said, this was just to show you getting the game over screen. But yeah, thank you, Sue. I'm sorry about having to create a second video. Like I said, I'll create a third video if I do make the changes, if I got the time. So I'll post this on YouTube as well as number 2, just prototype 1 number 2 or something like that. and post a link in my blog. Thank you very much, Sue.